Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're shifting gears from cars to something unique, 2025 Railbus trains. These fascinating vehicles combine elements of both trains and buses, offering an efficient, cost-effective, and eco-friendly solution for public transportation. In this video, we'll dive deep into the 2025 Railbus, exploring its design, technology, performance, and benefits. A railbus is essentially a lightweight rail vehicle that operates on train tracks but has the design and functionality of a bus. Unlike traditional trains, which require heavy locomotives and extensive infrastructure, railbuses are built for short-distance travel, often used in rural areas, small towns, and even some urban settings where full-sized trains might not be feasible. The 2025 Railbus takes this concept further with modern innovations, including electric and hybrid powertrains, smart automation, and improved passenger comfort. One of the standout features of the 2025 Railbus is its powertrain. As the transportation industry moves toward greener solutions, many railbus models now use electric or hybrid propulsion systems. Some versions are entirely battery-powered, similar to electric buses, while others incorporate hydrogen fuel cells or hybrid diesel-electric technology. These advancements significantly reduce emissions compared to traditional diesel-powered trains, making the railbus a sustainable choice for public transport. The exterior design of the 2025 Railbus is sleek and modern. It is smaller and lighter than conventional trains, often resembling a tram or a futuristic bus on rails. The streamlined body is built using lightweight materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber composites, which help improve efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Many models feature large panoramic windows, providing passengers with scenic views during their journey. Inside, the Railbus offers a comfortable and spacious seating arrangement, optimized for both short and medium-distance travel. The interiors are designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring reclining seats, climate control, and advanced noise insulation to ensure a smooth and pleasant ride. Some high-end models even include Wi-Fi connectivity, USB charging ports, and infotainment systems to enhance the passenger experience. A key advantage of the Railbus is its flexibility. Unlike heavy trains that require extensive track upgrades, railbuses can operate on existing railway lines with minimal modifications. This makes them an excellent solution for areas with underutilized rail infrastructure. Many regions are now considering railbuses to revive old railway routes that were previously abandoned due to low passenger demand. Because railbuses are smaller and require less operational cost, they make it economically viable to run services in areas where traditional trains would be too expensive. Automation and smart technology play a crucial role in the 2025 Railbus. Many models are equipped with semi-autonomous driving systems that assist in navigation, braking, and acceleration. Advanced sensors and AI-powered monitoring systems enhance safety by detecting obstacles, monitoring track conditions, and ensuring precise stopping at stations. These smart systems reduce the need for extensive manpower, making railbus operations more efficient and cost-effective. In terms of speed and performance, the 2025 Railbus is designed for moderate speeds, typically ranging from 60 to 100 km per hour, depending on the model and route. While it may not be as fast as high-speed trains, its agility and lower operating costs make it ideal for regional transport. Additionally, the lightweight design allows it to accelerate and decelerate quickly, reducing travel time for shorter routes. Safety is another major focus of modern railbuses. Many models incorporate collision avoidance systems, automated emergency braking, and reinforced body structures to enhance passenger protection. The lower weight and controlled speed also contribute to overall safety, reducing the risk of severe accidents compared to traditional high-speed rail systems. Railbuses have a rich history dating back to the early 20th century when they were first introduced as an economical alternative to full-sized trains. Initially, they were powered by simple diesel engines, but over the decades, they have evolved with better technology and materials. Today, the 2025 Railbus represents the future of sustainable rail transport, blending efficiency, environmental responsibility, and passenger convenience into one innovative package. The future of railbuses looks promising, especially with increasing urbanization and the global push for eco-friendly transport solutions. Governments and private companies are investing in new railbus networks to provide better connectivity between cities and rural areas. Some nations are even considering fully autonomous railbuses that operate on dedicated smart rail networks, further enhancing efficiency and reducing operational costs. Railbuses are also playing a role in reducing road congestion. By offering an alternative to traditional buses and cars, they help decrease traffic in busy areas, leading to cleaner air and less fuel consumption. They are particularly useful in countries where railway infrastructure exists but is not fully utilized. In addition to passenger transport, some versions of the 2025 Railbus are being designed for cargo transportation. These cargo railbuses are lightweight and efficient, allowing businesses to move goods quickly over short distances without the need for large freight trains. This is especially beneficial for industries that require just-in-time delivery systems. Overall, the 2025 Railbus is a game-changer in the world of transportation. It provides an efficient, affordable, and environmentally friendly solution for connecting communities. Whether used for urban commuting, regional travel, or even light freight movement, the Railbus continues to prove its versatility. With advancements in green technology, automation, and passenger comfort, it is set to play a vital role in the future of rail transport. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Railbus, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocars Land for more exciting content on the latest in transportation. Let me know in the comments what you think about railbuses and whether you see them becoming a common mode of transport in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.